Hey everyone, thank you for stopping by. I'm Luc Julien, I'm a VFX Supervisor. I've been working in remote for the past 3 years, and I think it revolutionized the way we were thinking about our work. Working remote was an harsh learning curve. We would try to use the same tools we're using at the office to be able to collaborate together. And let's be honest, this was not the same. The collaboration was much harder, and we were trying to schedule a million meetings to keep in touch with everyone. Feeling isolated was one of the main problems that we've seen. And for I think 1 year, this is something that we really try to solve. We iterate in different versions. We decided to team up with a UK startup to build our own virtual office. And that's when Cosmos came in. Cosmos gave us the opportunity to bring everyone together in one single place. The easiest way to explain is to show it to you.
Welcome into Cosmos. So this is our virtual studio. You see there's plenty of space. Like I said before, we were 90 people working on that map. So there's different character, everyone that is working in the office. And this is my little avatar. You'll notice that I have a bounding box around me. This is the space where if you touch someone with that bounding box, you're gonna get into a call with them. And let's try it with this room here. If the people have their camera or if they were talking to each other, we'll be directly in a conversation with them. This is quite handy to have quick rounds and go in to see different departments randomly in a day just to get feedback on what they're doing. You see on my character right now, I have a green dot. So the green dot normally will be that I have my camera and my microphone. There's different settings that we have. In listening mode, I can hear what people are saying to me, but they cannot hear me. This is the mode that I was spending the most time when I was working on something, but I want the production to be able to talk to me, to ask me to go in dailies or something like that. And you have the mode in focus. Nobody can disturb you, but you don't see the map either. If you want to be reached in that mode, you'll need to look at the text in the chat. People can still chat to you during the day if your camera is not open. And if you are away, basically you disappear from the map. This is pretty much what it looked like. You have different room for different purposes that people can set up themselves. It's easy to add text to define what room it is. There's different customization that people can do on the map, and themselves, they don't need to have like any access to it. So people can decorate their desk and make it at their liking. You will notice on the map that there is 2 dailies on each side and 1 all hands room in the middle. It's more for company meeting or meeting that everyone could attend. The dailies were show specific. At some point, I had like 5 shows running simultaneously in the company. One of the main characteristics of the dailies is we could share in 4K streaming at 30 frames per second. That's one of the big features when we decided to go with Cosmos, to be able to have dailies where people were seeing a good quality that allowed us to centralize everything, to not have different software to share. That's pretty much what it is. If you were interested to get into a demo with more feature, because obviously there's much more to go through, you can just send me a line and will be my pleasure to spend more time explaining how we've been using Cosmos at Frontier. So let's go back.
Thank you for hanging around till the end. I hope you had a good time exploring Cosmos with me. If you want to know more, you can go to cosmos.video or just reach me on LinkedIn. Have a good one.